Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Linux Command Line series. In today's video, we'll be diving into user and group management in Linux operating system. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, we've got you covered. Let's get started with the basics. First, we'll look at how to display available users on your system. To do that, you can type get-ent command along with passwd. So, these are the available users and their information. Lots of these users are created by system and services like MySQL. It's create automatically when you install new services into system. This is the user account. Currently I'm logged in. Those information extract from the user database, which is typically stored in etc directory as a file. Therefore, you can also use cat command to display the same content from that file. Let's see how to do it. Type cat, then file path /etc, then file name call passwd, and press enter. You can see same information displayed by both commands. If you want to get detailed information about a specific user, you can pass username with get-ent command. Next, we'll look at how to display available groups on your system. To do that, you can type get-ent command along with group keyword. These are the all groups I have in my system. Those information also can be found in file call group. Let's try cat command again to look at the file content of this group file. Cat, then path, and press enter. Same result can be found by this file. If you want to display all the users for specific group, you can pass the group name after group keyword. Let's see all the users who belongs to pseudo group. So, Sachintha is the only user who member of this group. Any member in this group we can consider as admin users. So, Sachintha is an admin user. If you want to display all the groups for specific user, you can use group command with username. Let's display all the groups of Sachintha. As you can see, these are all the groups where Sachintha belongs to. Now, let's move on to creating a new user on Linux system. In order to create new user, we need an administrative privileges. To get that, always use sudo before administrative commands. If you are using Debian or Ubuntu-based system, you can use add user command to add new user to the system. Then I give the username as user1 and enter. Now it's asking for admin user password. Then I give the password. You can see it's now create new user and also create new group with the same name and create home directory for new user. Then it's asking for set a password for new user account. You can fill all other additional information as you want. It's asking for confirmation. Press Y for that. Now let's check out user list. So our new user created successfully. But this command might be not working for other Linux distribution. For any other Linux distribution you can use user add command for create new users. After that, pass mflag and pflag. Mflag will create the user's home directory and P for password. Let's check out the user list. So, new user added to the system, but this time it's not asking for additional information. Because that's how user add command works. It's only create a user for the system. In order to add or change their information, you need to execute different command. I will show you how to do it. To add or change specific user details, you can use usermon command. Then pass the C flag and give the all attribute you want to change inside double quote. In here, I only give full name and phone number. You can use comma to separate the field. And then I give phone number. Finally, name of the user you want to modify. Let's check out the details of the user. So, our new information added to the user. If you want to change the password for the existing user, you can use passwd command with username. So I give the new password. Again, I give the same for this. So our password updated successfully. Next, we are going to create new group. To achieve this task, you need to use group add command. After that, I give group name as FourBit. Let's check out group created or not. As you can see, there is a group called FourBit. Now, let's say you want to add a user to a specific group. For do that, you can use usermod command. After usermod, you need to pass a G flag. This option appends the user to the supplemental groups without removing the user from other groups. Next, giving the group name and username. In here, I'm going to add user1in to FourBit group. Let's look at the group's members associated with this group. Here we go, user1 added to the group. Now, let's try to remove this user from FourBit group. To remove user from specific group, you can use del user command. Then you need to give username, then group name. Let's check out the group. As you can see, user1 not belong to the FourBit group anymore. So far, almost done. Next, let's look how to delete specific group from the system. To do that, you can use group del command. After group del command, give the group name which you want to delete. I'm going to delete FourBit group. Let's list down the all groups. So, FourBit group not in this list, which mean it removed completely. Finally, let's look at how to remove specific user from the system. For that, we can use userdel command with rflag. Let's try to remove user1 from our system. Let's list down the all users. So, there is no any user with username user1. That's mean user1 deleted completely. That is the last part of this video. I hope you learned some new things on this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the FourBit LK channel for more command line tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.